To the demo day of batch 614. Make some noise. Now I have the moment where I have to explain to your family, friends, husbands, wives, boyfriends, girlfriends, what you've been up to for the last 2 months. And so we are Le-Wagon. We are a coding school basically. We have bootcamps on the web and the site, full time, so 9 really soft, relaxed weeks. Part time as well, 24 weeks. For this batch specifically, it has been the spring batch for web development full time, so very easy ride. Things that you've learned that you had no clue about 2 months ago. HTML and CSS, you had an idea what it was, JavaScript, databases with SQL, also Ruby, Rails, deploying with Heroku, working in teams with Git. So all things that you've learned, and I think will show perfectly how well you learned them. So this batch has 13 students from many different places, so Portugal obviously, but including Portugal Azores. And I want to thank Patricia's mom for all of the amazing food she sent. And also Brazil, Nigeria, UK, so all over the world. And what you'll see today are 4 basic projects, and it's not projects of 2 months of work, it's only the last 2 weeks, so I'll say roughly 8 days. And we are really proud of what you've achieved, and really happy to have worked with you. It was a really nice batch to work in. Everyone from our team was really happy to get to know you, the way you collaborated and did your projects. So without taking much longer, I'll give the mic to our amazing bootcamp manager, Emily.
Okay, guys, so just want to preface this for everyone at home. As Nuno said, this is in the past 2 weeks that these guys have created these products. 9 weeks ago, you didn't know what you were letting yourselves in for. And you created some amazing things in such a short amount of time. And it really has been a joy to go through this whole process with you. So thank you very much. It's been really nice. So yay! I'm going to do a quick intro for each team. Cool. So, guys, first team, we have Philly, Aura, and Chacon. I hope I said that right. I'm so sorry if I didn't. And it's called 3 Clicks Travel. So, give a big round of applause for 3 Clicks Travel.
Hi everyone, here and at home. So, as Emily said, I'm Philippe, and I'm, like many of you, I'm finished my coding bootcamp in a week, after career week, and I'm going on a well-deserved vacation. And the thing is, I have a couple of problems. First of all, I want a really easy way to book my travel, my flight, and my accommodation. And I don't know where to go, so I'm a bit inspired, I want to be surprised. And I'm on a budget. So I heard about this app, 3 Clicks Travel, should be really easy. Just say how much you want to spend, and they show you destination, you book it. Just that easy. So let's see if they, actually it looks quite legit, this website. So yes, I'm definitely clicking. Oh, login, let's see. I already did my account, so no worries here. Okay, save for later, my face and everything. Let me just reset these so you guys can see the full experience. So, I have 400 euros, that's my budget I have in mind, and I don't know where to go, so let me try 400 euros. I'll be traveling alone, and I'll be, again, career week ends on 25th, more or less, so next day I'm out of here. 1 week should be enough to rest before starting that developer life. Okay. Prague, Budapest, Amsterdam. Let me see what else can I get. London, Belgrade, and Dublin. London's always the easy one. Okay, everybody been to London is cool. Let me see. I have 3 options. You know, guys, not really what I want. I'm going again. I'm a big fan of Game of Thrones, and it would be a shame not to mention Prague, you know. So, okay. So I have 3 hotels, suggestions with the flights. Quite the deal here with TAP. I heard it's a good company. I don't know. It's nice, so I'll spend a bit more on the hotel, I think. Let me check what we have. Oh, great deal. Looks fancy. What else? Okay, I don't know how to mention this. I'll say Port Verzi. Okay, looks nice as well. And then we have NH. Okay, this is my type of room, this grandeur. Yeah, here. Big bed, big windows. I like this, getting that one. And then I get my summary here. Flight accommodation. Easy. Book. Done. Book. Done. Yeah, all set to go. Great. Let me see now. Okay. I also know that in the fall I'm going on vacation. That's I know for sure. And I hope, because I changed my life and I learned to code, I'm making the big bucks now. 800. So again, fall, late September. Yeah. 1 week should be enough. Okay. What do I get? Oh, nice, Scandinavia. Perfect. Never been. I heard Copenhagen is nice. Let me see. Again, really easy. Just check the hotel, check the rooms if you like it. Okay, Vivo. Actually, this minimalistic Nordic design, it's my jam. Going for cabin. Yes, perfect. Same, easy. Done. Done. Morning. I never been to Copenhagen, so what about that? Let me see. Okay, nice. Oh, sorry. Here. Okay, nice. And what can I do there? 70 best things to do in Copenhagen. I'm covered, done. And the most important thing, where to eat. Yes, 12 best restaurants in Copenhagen. Nice. Noma. Everybody heard about Noma. Best one. Yes, perfect. So, and then again, I can manage my bookings. All is here. Perfect. So I can even, I think I was already playing with it before and I had Prague, so I can just come here, remove it. Done. Easier, really easy to manage. But I'm quite sure that you guys are asking, okay, having a budget is nice, but how low can we go? Right? So let's see, 50. No, too low. Yeah, let's go back again. Let's see. 100. 100. Not dictionary. 100. And yeah, again, suggestion based on budget. Perfect. Spain, yeah, living, of course, yes. There's no miracle still, but yes. But again, sounds legit, easy to use, and you got everything needs covered regarding traveling. budget, destination, and book your trip all in one platform. Sounds great.
Okay, first one done. 3 to go. Oh no, not the camera, Joel, please. He's followed me around for 3 years trying to get my photograph, and I've dodged him every time. My last demo they didn't get me. Cool, guys. So next we have a group of 2, or a couple, I should say. The app is called +1, and the people are Joanne and Ryan. So welcome, guys. Alright, so hi everyone. And today my name is Ricardo. Let's pretend I look like a Ricardo. So I work for a company that's sent me to Lisbon, and work is over, and I have a couple of days left to stay. And because it's Lisbon, there's loads of things to do. So I want to do some activities here, and I particularly am looking for, I would like to do activities with someone who's interested in the same things I do, because usually you get a lot of websites which cater to group activities. I find that you tend to get lost in those. It's not as organic, you don't really have a unique connection, and you get to experience the activity in a sort of distant sort of way. So I'm looking for more of an individual connection with someone, and also I want a platonic, I'm not looking to date anyone, it's not a dating website I'm looking for, just someone to enjoy the activity with. And there are a lot of websites that cater to that, but I found about this website called +1 that is just exactly what I'm looking for. And actually first I'm impressed by the logo, I think it looks so cool. And so just going through the website, I can see they have latest activities, so that looks good. I'll explore that later, but here they have some stuff on how to get started. So first you just create your profile, pretty easy. Then the next step is you find an activity. There are activities that are listed by other users, or you can create your own. Sounds good. And then the next step is you confirm the activity. So let's get started. So let's go see more of what they have to offer. And the activities are by theme, so that is great. So let's check out sports and see what they have. And there's quite a number of stuff, but yeah, I might look into that later. Let's go back. Let's look at nightlife. And now you can see that people in Lisbon love to party, right? Let's look at all that. So I think I'm going to join one of these later, but let me go back. So let me try and find something. I'm looking for something really relaxing like yoga. So let's try yoga. And wow, lots of stuff for yoga. So might join that. What about skydiving? Let's see if they have something about skydiving. You have 2 hours. Skydiving. And nope, not yet. Okay, too bad. All right, so I think I'm looking for something really specific, so I'm going to create my own activity. So let's go to the create activity page, and surfing, that's really on my speed. So I want to go surfing in Caparica, so I'm just going to say, join me for a day of great surfing in Caparica. Why not today? Let's do it today. And I'm going to choose a photo that describes what it's about. And of course, the theme is sport. Create it. And yeah, so activity created. So I'm hoping that someone joins my activity. I'll be waiting for that. And so let's see.
Hey, Andre here. And I've been using +1 for a couple of months actually, and every time that I want to do something, I go on this amazing website. And today I was actually into surfing. I hope someone has posted an activity about that, so I'm gonna check. Let's see. Wow, actually there is a surfing in Caparica for today, so I'm gonna click on it and see the details. Okay, so surfing in Caparica. Okay, it's next to my place, it's today. And it's hosted by a guy that seems to be really cool, like a professional surfer. Okay, but I have two options, join now or chat now. I'm gonna chat now first to see if it's not a weirdo, because we never know this application, right? So, hey man, what's up? Oh, I hope he's gonna reply.
Oh, he looks pretty cool with those glasses on. What do you do for a living? Let me find out more about him.
Okay, let's see. What are you doing for a living, man? You're really curious. Okay, I'm gonna I hope he knows that he's not a dating app. It was, I'm a web developer at Le-Wagon.
Wow, me too. And actually, I love Ruby.
Okay, wow, this guy is into coding, just like me. I love Ruby. So I'm gonna join this activity for sure. I'm gonna tell him. Alright, I'm gonna join actually, so I'm gonna go back to the activity. And yeah, I'm gonna click here. And yeah, I hope he's gonna accept my offer. Booking waiting for confirmation. Alright, let's see.
All right, so that was a nice chat with Andre. Let's see if he's gonna book the activity now. Let me go to my bookings and check. And yeah, so I'm gonna accept it. He seems pretty cool, so let's go. Right, so I think you can all agree that that was a very seamless experience from start to finish, very user friendly. I really enjoyed the website. So before I go, I just realized that I made a mistake in my name, so I'm going to update my profile. So yeah, I'm going to change it to Ricardo Pitt. That's my actual name, not Kotera. And I'm going to change my age as well. I lied about that, so I'm sorry. And yeah, so yes, I really enjoyed plus one and definitely had an awesome experience on it. So that's pretty much the run through.
There we go. Put that on. We're good. Okay. So, third project, guys. Okay. So, little preface for this. During the pandemic, did anyone try and grow their own food? Because I did, and failed miserably. So our next app is here to help, and I wish I had had it with this during the pandemic. So guys, please put your hands together for Patched. It's Louise, Patricia, Luis, and Mariana. Woo!
Hola, I'm Maria, and this is my partner Joao. We've recently moved from Lisbon to Sintra and bought ourselves a nice little house. Joao's done a wonderful job on the interior of the house as we're painting, decorating, it's lovely stuff, but the garden is a complete mess. So I've had a little look online to see if I've got any tips or tricks on how to get started, but all of the advice on there is really confusing. It's done by professional gardeners. We just want a couple of simple steps to get started. Don't we, Joao? Yeah. And so at work recently, my friend Patricia told me about this app, Patched, and she said it's a really simple guide to get started, just making a simple vegetable patch in a couple of easy steps. So Joao, I think we should sign up. Oh, you've already started. He's so efficient. I'm a little bit worried about our garden because it does get a lot of sun in Sintra. And also there's kind of a special microclimate there. So I hope that the app is tailored to that. Joao needs to do full sun on the garden.
Very sunny.
Okay. Okay, what vegetables are we going to choose? I'm really excited.
You don't like tomatoes, so...
He loves his tomatoes. Yes, he must make that as well. And beetroots, don't forget beetroots. Yeah. And do you like carrots in your stews? Anything else we need?
I think we need rosemary now, so it's good to have application.
Yeah, go with chicken. Let's get that one. And maybe for smoothies?
Smoothies.
Yeah. Spinach?
Spinach, yeah.
Green smoothies. Okay. Oh wow, this looks so cool. Love it. Okay, so I guess we need to get the patch set up. Okay, so how are we going to do that?
I think it's really good because they show us all the things that we need, and they also show us in a very easy way, step by step, just the way I like it. It's really simple, really clear. I think this is really good app.
Yes, I think it's great. Right, Joao, get to work. Build the patch.
Let's go.
Oh, okay, interesting. So some of the plants are ready to plant now, and some of them are planted later. That makes sense, I guess. I think that's where we went wrong in the past, because we were planting them all at the same time.
Let's plant the beetroots now.
Okay, yeah, let's plant the beetroots. Nice, simple, easy steps on what we need.
And instructions, that's the sample part. So really, really important thing.
Great, let's do it, Joao. Let's plant these beetroots. Okay, so we've got to wait 65 days until they're harvested. We need to also take care of our patch. What do we need to do? We're not very sure. Okay, we need to water our patch. Nice. I didn't know what kind of weeds to look out for, but now we've got this handy guide. Watch out for fat 10. And soil, yeah, we'll keep that nice and rich, keep our veggies happy. Love it. Oh, I can't wait to see what our vegetables look like. Our beetroots are ready to harvest. I can see them in the garden, but can we just check that it's okay to go? Because it looks like they're ready, but I'm not quite sure. Okay, we're ready to go. Follow those steps. Okay, can you just go and get them from the patch, please? Great, I'll get making dinner now. Oh, I love this app. Let's make another one. Thanks very much for listening.
Well done, guys. The actors top. Guys, we've come to the last one. Let me just open it up, and then you guys can drink beer, relax, and then watch the day of science. Okay, so finally, last but not least, we have hereafter, which is Ryan, Lucas, and Thiago. So welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. I'm here today to tell you guys about a cool new app I just started using. It's called Hereafter. And the principle, the core value of the app is that you send digital time capsules to your friends and family and loved ones. So you can send a message through time and communicate with the future. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, Lucas is going to sign into my profile here. I'm completely, pretty much brand new to this. Some of my friends are already on this app, but I've barely explored any of the features myself, so we're going to do that tonight together. Round of applause, please. Oh, it looks like we've already got a capsule there ready to open from Tana. Let's open up that capsule and see what's inside. Welcome, Ryan. What do you think of Hereafter so far? I love it. I like it too, Tana. Okay, well, I'm pretty hyped up after opening that capsule. That was pretty fun. So let's make a capsule ourselves now, Lucas. So let's have a think about what we want to do first. What kind of cool thing could we do here? Categories: general, birthday, confession, prediction. I know what would be cool. Let's wish myself a happy birthday 3 years from now. There I am, King Ryan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dude. And let's just say happy birthday to me. I'm quite a vain guy, I like this kind of thing. So, 2023, December 2nd, and let's put it in the morning, so I can wake up and read that capsule and get some dopamine. Fantastic. So we'll create that, and Lucas here has already been on this app for a while, so I want to send him a capsule to let him know I'm on here. What kind of thing can we do here? Let's make a prediction to Lucas, and we'll find his name there. And let's say you'll never guess. Or let's say tonight's dinner we're going to eat a lot of food. I predict that we're going to eat a lot of food. And let's make this capsule arrive later tonight so we can see if it's come true. What fun I'm having already. We've only just got started, guys. Okay, so let's create that capsule. That's amazing, that's off into the cloud. So let's just check where that's up to. Oh, we've also got a little notification down there on the right-hand side that says we just unlocked a badge. This is something I love about this app because it rewards you as you use it more. You can unlock badges, and you can even go up levels. So some of you might have noticed I was level 1, but now I'm level 2 because I just sent a couple of capsules out. So let's just see that capsule first before we head to the profile. In the outgoing tab there, let's just click over there. There's 2 capsules, and there's when they're going to open. And now let's head to the profile page. Okay, so this is my little time traveler passport. You can see my stats there on the right hand side, that's pretty cool. And we can see these badges that I've unlocked here. And let's take a look at one of those. What will the future hold? Who can truly know? Apparently you can. Let's see if what you predicted will become reality. Nice. And there's a nice cute little birthday badge. That's cool. So let's just take a look at all the badges there as well. Oh, so there's 8 to get in total. That's quite nice. And oh, if I hover over them, I can see a little hint there that gives me a little hint of how to get that capsule. But I'll tell you what, let's go back to my profile for a second. I'm not feeling too happy about this look that I've got going on, so let's edit that avatar of mine. Okay, I have a few choices here. I trust Lucas is going to pick something that represents me a little bit better. There we go, fantastic. Speaking of my friend Lucas, he's been very kind this evening. He's allowed us to log into his profile that he's been using for some time, and so that we can get a look at someone who's been using the app and who's a bit more of a time traveler than me. So Lucas is just going to log in here. Oh my god, he's got so many friends. It's quite overwhelming. There's so many. Oh, so, that's pretty crazy. This one's open in 99 years. Must be something important, so important that he'll never see it open. So let's take a look at those incoming capsules there on the right, maybe. Nice, yeah, okay. Now let's look at what he's got outgoing. And here we go. Oh, we can see that these people haven't yet opened their capsules. That's interesting. Oh God. Oh, this is quite awkward actually, because Lucas used to be romantically involved with this woman, Claire. And I think he sent this capsule in the heat of their passionate love. And I think he's going to regret that. Are you going to let us have a look inside first before you delete it? Yes, he is. Memories. Do you remember ice fishing in North Alaska? Oh, what romantic icy fun we had, my dear. Okay, he's regretting that one. And he doesn't want that to arrive in 4 years' time because that relationship's over now. So, yes, let's delete that capsule. And away with you, Claire. And now let's check what capsules he's opened. Oh, there's one from Claire again. Speaking of Claire, let's check out her profile actually. Okay. Oh, look, she's got a confession badge. Now I'm beginning to understand maybe why the relationship didn't work out. Okay, that's interesting. Yeah. So let's go to Lucas's profile now. Actually, I want to have a look at how Lucas is doing. Okay, he's an adventurer. He's level 7. He's got loads of badges. All his friends love him. They're all jealous. He can show this off to everyone, and those stats there are amazing. I'm in awe. But before we conclude, let's go to your capsules. And oh, we've got a brand new capsule in there from Tiago, and it's opening in 51 seconds. And do you guys want to hang around so we can see this capsule open in real time? We only have 38 seconds to fill. So, one of the things I like to do on this app is I like to just watch these timers tick down and watch my life just go by whilst I'm waiting for things. And up in the right-hand corner there's a little hourglass that's very hypnotizing. You can just look at that and before you know it, you're 59 years old, you're living in Spain, and your wife's left you. So here we go. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Ready to open. And last capsule. The team from here out would like to thank all the Le-Wagon staff and colleagues for this wonderful journey we took together. See you guys in the future.
Well done. So, just before we go, I'd like to do some thank yous to a lot of people that worked really hard over the last couple of months. Sorry for that. To start with, the campus reps. That work every day, it takes 30 years, so please a round of applause. People job in the field. Thank you a lot for that. Also, thank you to the marketing team, Jan and João. And now I want you to make some noise for your teachers. So, in the end, it's not in a specific order, so please don't get offended. But, so Beatriz with JavaScript. And again, our content specialist. Our time Margarida. Our UI UX expert Rita. Our Parliament Sarah. And Reddit just saw in that plus one app. So now again, there's two names, so some of you know him as Joe and some of you know him as Theo, so a lot of applause. Our expert in everything they need. The MVP, the one that's always there, João Sanches. So Raul, that is now in London. The master of all masters, Ricardo Terry. Our database genius, Patrick. And another designer, Vasco, we are the chief filmy designers, we have to stop this soon. And obviously, last but not least, for sure, a huge round of applause for the 19th batch of family. Final words to the batch.
Congratulations. No, seriously, really well done. This is like, give yourselves a round of applause. You put it all the hard work. You guys are my last. So it really has been an absolute pleasure. I've been saying to these guys the whole time, you guys were an absolute joy. I loved every minute of it. And yeah, I'm going to graduate with you guys. So we'll be it together. Obviously it's changing and growing, so we'll come back to see future demo days. We'll all be here. And guys, can I just say that it's actually really nice that we can do this kind of in person again. This is the first time we've done this since COVID happened. The last demo that we had before COVID was literally everything was closing down, like literally that evening. So it's really lovely to be able to do it again. So I hope you enjoyed it. Really well done. Congratulations.
We need to give a round of applause to our big director. No. Step to the stage for our graduation photo. So join us. Photo time.